We interrupt this program because of a local emergency. Important information will follow. The following message is transmitted by the Gage County State Police and the Wymore Police Department. This is a local area emergency. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this message.
Transmit this message. Around 1:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, major 911 calls have been reported about a pony that is terrorizing citizens in the Wymore area. At this time, the Wymore Police Department and the Gage County State Police is advising all residents
in a 25-mile radius to lock all doors and windows and to shelter in place at this time. If